Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, shushuology. It's your friend Shushu. Today, I like to talk about Sichuan cuisine. Some of you might already know that I was brought up in Sichuan province, China, and throughout the years, I've developed strong love towards Sichuanese cooking at home. Although I've been abroad for quite a few years now, I still live largely on authentic, home-style Sichuanese cooking. Depending on how familiar you are with Chinese/Sichuanese food, you may at least have heard about dishes named Kung Pao chicken or Mapo tofu. They're actually originated in Sichuan. While in the West, Sichuan cuisine is considered hot and spicy, in China it is legendary for its sophistication and diversity. I am always enthusiastic about introducing and promoting authentic Sichuanese cuisine to people from different cultures. So if you're interested in knowing more about it or would like to learn ways to talk about it in English, please continue to watch. I'll start with introducing some basic seasonings and sauces, followed by me doing from scratch a couple of classic Sichuanese dishes. Okay, here I've got quite a few sauces that I often use on this Liziqi, and also some are in the refrigerator. I'm going to pick out the ones that are commonly seen in any Sichuanese home kitchen, and they will set you up for making most dishes. I'll start with the soy sauce. This one is a light soy sauce which has a salty umami flavor and relatively pale color than the dark soy sauce. This is more for adding dark brown color to the dish, while this one is more for its flavors. Most of the time I just use this light soy sauce. Next one, Chinese vinegar, another essential flavoring in Sichuanese cooking. It has a dark red-brown color and a deep mellow fragrance with a slightly sweet aftertaste. This definitely tastes pretty different than the balsamic. When I just went abroad and started to cook for myself, I once substituted this with balsamic vinegar and it was total failure. So this is called Qingkan vinegar. So in Chinese, zhenjiang is pretty widely available. And we also have this clear, transparent vinegar, white vinegar, that is made from glutinous rice and is perfect for cold dishes, which require pale color. Next, we have Chinese cooking wine. Chinese cooking wine has a mild taste and amber color. It is used to dispel fishy and foul tastes and also refine the flavors of meat, poultry, and fish. The most popular Chinese cooking wine is called Shaoxing wine and 14.5% alcohol, and this is the most highly regarded. Potato starch, I only have this much left. This is used to coat raw meat, poultry, and fish before cooking, and it also helps thicken the sauces. Next, sweet bean paste. This is also a key savory seasoning. It is commonly seen as a dip for delicacies such as Peking duck. And next one, Sichuan chili bean paste. This is in my heart an indispensable seasoning. This rich paste is made by mixing split fava beans, wheat flour, and Argentine chilies, which are not excessively hot, and allowing them to grow moldy before fermenting them in the brine. Generally, it lends savory flavor, gentle heat, and deep red color to many hearty local dishes. And the most popular paste is made from a county just outside of Chengdu, China, called Pixian. So this is called Pixian chili bean paste. And I cannot pass over this section without mentioning a great video made by a local popular influencer named Liziqi. I'm going to link her video in which she makes this chili bean paste from scratch by herself down below my description box if you would like to check it out. Last but not least, Sichuan peppercorn. It has a powerful and seductive aroma. If you chew on it, your lips and mouth will start to buzz. Now let's move on to making the dishes, and I highly recommend you watch the remaining of this video late at night. The first dish that I'm going to show you guys is called Fish-Fragrant Eggplant, one of Sichuan's most successful culinary exports. It is called Fish-Fragrant Eggplant, but there is no actual fish involved, as the term is rarely used for fish dishes nowadays. It's made with the similar seasonings of traditional fish dishes. Sichuanese love audacious combinations of flavor, and fish fragrant is a seductive flavor which is a mix of salty, sweet, sour, and spicy hints. Ingredients and steps. First, 400-gram eggplant. When picking eggplants from the supermarket, try to select the ones with more white on top, which is supposed to be more tender. Wash and cut the eggplants into small pieces. Here the cut and the angle of the knife matters. Put the cut pieces into a small container. Add a little white vinegar to prevent eggplant from oxidizing and changing color, as well as some potato starch. Stir well. Then steam the eggplant for 15 minutes to make them soft and buttery. While waiting for the eggplant to be well steamed, we'll prepare the fish fragrant sauce and remaining ingredients. 100-gram pork belly, cut into small pieces and grind. 10-gram garlic, 10-gram ginger, and 15-gram red pickled hot chili, which gives the oil a wonderful orange color, all finely chopped into rings. And 2 spring onions, sliced into fine rings. Then move on to making the fish fragrant sauce. 0.5-gram salt, 10-gram sugar, 5-gram light soy sauce, 3-gram chincon vinegar, 15-gram water, 1.5-gram potato starch, which will later help thicken the sauce, and stir well. Steam the eggplant. Heat the pan at high heat for later use. A wok is preferred for Chinese stir fry if you have one at home. Lubricate the pan with a little oil, pour it out after a few seconds. Put in minced pork belly, low to medium heat, and get the oil out of the meat. Then add in prepared garlic, ginger, and chili. Fry at low heat until they are fragrant. Now it is time to pour in the fish fragrant sauce. Continue to stir until the sauce gets thick. Then add the steamed eggplants to the sauce. Stir in 30 seconds until the eggplants are well covered by the sauce and have absorbed the flavors. Add chopped spring onions on top and stir gently for a few seconds until they have lost their rawness. Time to serve. Move on to the second dish, twice cooked pork. We start with heating the cast iron pan till smoking hot. The cut of pork rump is preferred. Today I'll simply substitute it with pork belly with skin still attached, 350 gram. Sear the skin at medium heat until it turns golden brown. This is to reduce unpleasant odor. Clean up the seared pork. Add 4 slices of ginger, 4 strips of green onions, some Sichuan peppercorn, and 20-gram Chinese cooking wine, also to reduce foul odor. Bring it to boiling and then simmer for 25 minutes until just cooked. Cook it until it can be easily penetrated by a chopstick, which means it's fully cooked. Cool it and wipe it dry. Cut the pork into thin millimeter slices. Each piece should be a mixture of fat and lean with a strip of skin at the top. Garlic sprouts are ultimate for this dish, which can also be replaced by regular onions. Here I'm using 100-gram white Beijing leek, sliced into strips. I am also adding 100-gram yellow and red bell peppers to make the dish multicolor. Dice 10-gram pickled red chili, 10-gram ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, both into thin slices. Move on to making the sauce. 10-gram sweet bean paste and mix it with 2-gram light soy sauce. Everything's ready here. Heat the pan, again a wok is preferred, and lubricate with some lard or oil. Pour it out and then add the pork pieces. Stir fry until their fat has melted out and they are toasty and slightly curved. Add 1.5 teaspoons of Sichuan chili bean paste and stir fry until the oil is richly red. And add ginger, garlic, and chili. And add the sauce. Add the chopped and sliced vegetables. Last step of seasoning, a little bit of cane sugar, 1 gram chincon vinegar. Continue to stir and toast until they're just cooked. Bola, the name of the dish, twice-cooked pork, derives its name from the fact that the pork is first boiled and then stir-fried. Pair both dishes with plain steamed rice. This video is inspired by the books written by English author and cook Fuchsia Dunlop, who went to China and ate everything, and who fell deeply in love with Sichuan cuisine and later became a trained chef specializing in Sichuan dishes. The recipe and cooking methods that I use in this video are from local chef Wang Gang. The links to the books and recipes are in the description box down below. Last but not least, if you're going to make either or both of the dishes at your own home, please let me know how it goes. Hope everyone continues to try lots of new things in the new year. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!